Right now, 6, Team 6 is everywhere.
Next at 6, do you know who's living next door? Team 6 uncovers a new South Florida neighborhood targeted by squatters. It's a story you'll see only on 6.
Right now at 6, Team 6. Live, the news on NBC6 South Florida starts now.
Our top story tonight, frustration in one up-and-coming area of South Florida after residents say one family is using an archaic law to move into the neighborhood. The residents say word is getting out about Florida's adverse possession law, and soon someone may use it to squat in a home on your block.
It's a story you'll see only on 6, and Team 6 reporter Willard Shepard is in Midtown Miami with the exclusive details on what neighbors there are furious about. Willard?
Well, Adam, let me show you where we are. Right behind me, the restaurants and the shops here in Midtown, and just a very short distance away, walking distance, in this home right here, this orange property. This is where the residents say that the trouble is taking place. They say they've made numerous phone calls to police, to 911, and that the people who are living here shouldn't be here. They say the same thing could happen to you on your block. The man in front of the home today told me that he spoke to the owner of the property and police and didn't have anything to say to me about how he ended up here. He didn't answer my questions about whether he filled out a form with the county, indicating the family was trying to gain ownership through adverse possession.
There's a one-page form that they downloaded from the internet. No one verified who these people were. They simply said, okay, you're in possession of the property.
We have no power or no ability to get them out of the home.
The guy ripped his shirt off, and he's trying, someone's going to get him. Please get someone out here.
Jules says this is home video he shot while he was also calling 911. Other residents say they, too, have called police.
We called 911 on the occasions where we felt endangered for our own safety.
Squatting. More neighborhoods now finding out about it. Andre Barbosa was eventually evicted by Boca Raton police after he lived in a mansion there. In tranquil Miami Shores, police say they had 6 homes where squatters were eventually removed. The adverse possession law calls for a person to be in exclusive possession of the home. It has to be done openly, notoriously, and they have to stay in the home 7 years.
When there's a mortgage against the property, you cannot adversely possess it. Is that clear?
Real estate attorney Ben Solomon says there's a mortgage on the property. His advice to any neighborhood that believes squatters are present?
Well, obviously, identifying the problem, reporting it to the owner and the authorities is a first step. The owner should call the police and have the illegal trespasser removed.
Our check of tax records shows the home is owned by a doctor who is running to be the next mayor of North Miami. Dr. Smith Joseph.
He was out the first day with the police. The police said, oh, there's nothing we can do, even though the owner was right here saying, I don't know these people.
We went looking for him at his medical practice and campaign office today. Now, he was not located at his medical office or that campaign office in North Miami on Dixie Highway, and we did not hear back from him as to his position in all of this. Again, the residents say he was here, said he didn't know who those people were and why they were in this home here behind me. Late this afternoon, the county told us that they did not have a piece of paper on record that this form had not been filled out. However, the residents say they are showing form to police. They say this can easily happen in your neighborhood, happen to you as well. That's the very latest here in Midtown. Willard Shepard, NBC6, South Florida.